guys, it's Megan from Redcliff Library, and we are going to be starting out the week with a science experiment. So we're going to make our own lava lamp. So you're going to need a jar, or just a clear container. This is called Alka-Seltzer. I think I said that right. Yeah, I don't really know what it's for, but you need that. You're going to need some oil, water, and food coloring. So you're going to start by taking your jar, and I have 2 things of oil so I can finish this off. And you're going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full of oil. You can do any kind. Does not matter. So I just have, what is this? This is olive oil, and then the rest of this is vegetable oil. And it hasn't been an issue yet. So we're just going to open that up. Fill it. So then, depending on the size of the jar that you have, it'll determine like how much oil you put in. So I have a fairly small jar, so I didn't put a lot in. So then you're gonna take water. I'm gonna just fill this up, and you want to put food coloring in it, or you don't have to. I think it's easier to see it though. So I'm just gonna do light green, and then I just don't really have anything to stir it with, but fingers work fine. And then you just want to do like 1/4 of the water. So there you can see that, the water at the bottom, the oil at the top. So then you're going to take your Alka-Seltzer. I think I'm saying that right. I hope I am. And you're just going to take 1 tab and break it into little chunks and drop it in. And then I'll hold it up. You can see them fizzing at the bottom. And then the water will start going up. And then once the Alka-Seltzer, once it's all dissolved, then it'll just stop bubbling. And then you can just do it as many times as you want. You can keep adding some in. You can leave it. And then it just bubbles. It fizzes more than like a real lava lamp does. But I think it still works pretty well. So you can tell it's stopping now. I think it works pretty good. So then again, if you want it to go again, you just take another tablet, break it up, and put it in, and I think it just goes like forever. I haven't had one that stopped after like a certain amount of tablets. Like I've just used a bunch and it never didn't work as well, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I don't think there's any limit to how many times you can do it. So send us a picture of yours so we can see how it works. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.